Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious stew fish recipe. Stay tuned. These are my ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. So I have some fish flavor soup mix, a little bit of ketchup, some brown sugar. Over here I have my spinach, some chopped spinach. This is what I'll be using for the stuffing. And over here I have my green onion, some onion, celery. You have some fresh thyme, some carrot, red bell pepper. Over here I have some habanero pepper, just a little bit for some extra spice, some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and these are my dry seasoning. All right, so I have some Szechuan seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of smoked paprika, onion powder, some crushed pimento seed, a little bit of curry powder right here. So I have some grated ginger on the star of the show. I have two parrotfish right here. You know, everything is already cleaned up and scaled and rinsed off with some vinegar and all that good stuff. So right now, we're going to start this video off by seasoning, the fish. All right, so just continue to watch the video. Don't go nowhere. So you want to start off by mixing your seasoning. Just combine everything together. Make sure, it's nicely mixed. All right, so now it's looking good. Now you want to grab your fish and season, the inside right there between the spores. And I'm also gonna season the inside, Just make sure it's nicely seasoned, guys. That's all. It's not hard, super easy recipe to follow. And we're going to repeat the same step for this one. This recipe, cooking wise, should only take like 10-15 minutes tops. Okay, we're going to start the recipe off on high heat and then, reduce the heat to about medium heat after about 5 minutes. Once, the water starts to boil up a little bit. Add your spinach. Same thing for this one. Just like that. Add a little bit of cooking oil, about a tablespoon, not much. Alright, so now we're gonna add our carrots, and all these beautiful ingredients. So we're just gonna stir it up. And we're gonna cook these veggies for about a minute. Once everything starts to caramelize a little bit, then we're gonna add our water and the fish flavor soup mix. Now we're gonna add our habanero pepper. Give it a little spice. Add that extra spiciness to the fish. You understand? Now you want to add your water. Give it a nice little stir. Stir it up. Now we're going to add some sugar. A little bit of lemon juice. Add our ketchup. Stir it up a little bit. Now you want to add your ginger, grated ginger. Stir it up same way. And then we just go drop in the fish them. Slide it in just like that. Nice and proper. Yeah, man. And like I said, guys, we're just gonna let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat. Oh yes, this is it. Ooh. Oh my God. Time for that taste test. This is so good. Ooh, spicy. This is the real deal right here. This is it.